It's the age of AI, and all tech leaders are integrating AI tools into their applications, and Meta is no different. The social media giant is expected to roll out Meta AI soon into everyday apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram. And, once launched, Meta AI will reportedly be free for all. Although Meta AI is not on par with GPT-4o or Gemini 1.5 Pro, which can analyze images, Excel, sheets, and more, Meta AI has been developed as an AI tool for personal use or even a conversation starter. As we await a formal launch, some lucky users have already got to try Meta AI, as Meta is currently rolling it out to select users on select platforms. It is expected to be available for everyone in the next few months. In case you are among the select few users with early access to Meta AI. Here are the 5 prompts to make the most of Meta AI. Ask Meta AI to rewrite, spell check an FB post about to post something on FB, and need a second pair of eyes, just to ensure everything is on point. Meta AI can come to your rescue. Facebook, while composing a post, offers Meta AI-powered tools like Write with AI, Fix Grammar, and it even enables users to make a post long or short with just a click. However, it does come with a warning that the suggestions, sometimes, could be inaccurate or inappropriate, so use them wisely. Something lingering in your mind? Ask Meta AI. Meta AI can also be your personal assistant and help you break down complex subjects or topics with ease. Just type a question that you have on your mind, and click on Ask Meta AI, and you will get an AI-generated response, directly on Facebook. The previous terms and conditions also apply here, hence, always fact-check the responses offered by Meta AI before you take them seriously. Create new WhatsApp stickers. Instantly, WhatsApp stickers are a great way to communicate, as they add a great deal of emotions. Thanks to Meta AI, now users can create WhatsApp stickers based on their creativity and imagination. A cow breathing fire or a dog drinking Coke. Let your imagination take flight while generating a sticker on WhatsApp. Again, Meta AI does not allow users to generate images that are harmful or racial. Next time your friends share a new sticker, you can outdo it with a Meta AI generated sticker. Too lazy to read the news? Ask Meta AI for top headlines. Meta AI on Messenger can also be your personal news reader, as it can curate top headlines from across the world. Unlike some of the generative AI models, which cannot access the internet, Meta AI can access the web, and can offer relevant and up-to-date news, and it even cites the sources in simple clickable links, which can be accessed to read a complete story. Meta AI can also be your gaming buddy when you access Meta AI via Messenger. You can also use the chatbot as your opponent and play simple trivia or word-based games. You can also ask the AI chatbot to list the popular games that you can play alongside and select the one that suits you. While these are just a few of the prompts that you can use with the Meta AI, the chatbot can also be used for tasks like summarizing content, researching a specific topic, or you can also take a mock interview with the help of Meta AI chatbot on Messenger.